ADUs are having a moment in LA right now, and honestly, we're obsessed. At Precise Building and Restoration, we're turning backyards into seriously cool living spaces that actually add value to your life and your property. Whether you need a sleek home office to escape the chaos, a studio for your creative side hustle, or extra space for family, we design and build ADUs that don't feel like an afterthought. We're talking modern architecture, smart layouts, and finishes that rival your main house. We handle everything from permits to final walkthrough because navigating LA's building codes shouldn't be your problem. Our team moves fast, builds clean, and delivers spaces that look like they belong on your Instagram feed. Plus, with LA's housing market being what it is, an ADU is basically the smartest investment you can make right now. Ready to unlock your property's potential? Call Precise Building and Restoration, and let's build something incredible together.